주도 죽지도 제가 알고 주야를 오시를 샤드에 지니 대시마 제류태샤 아니 랭게 넘어 상말 대를 패볼라 투지 신도체 아니 제림 당보디 아니 벽 작업 침베gel루 아니 별규레샤 안디 제라 아니 벽 작업 당 미리키 자든 제 랑기 루소 롱저당 제베 르당 랑케 야제 바오바모당 바모 남기 체도 까마치키 링라 아니 냥에 제주.
Good morning everyone, thank you for coming. Today we are going to start our gathering by the Tibetan national anthem and a 1-minute silence to honor our fellow countrywomen and countrymen who have sacrificed their lives and everything for our cause. Thank you.
Se shipende dogo jovede tobne sambe no benaba tenze nonze yaze yovege tilege lo sonye doje kamso debre choge jamse kyo 남그가 와야 zembalare 분존지잉아다게 분존처가 숨게 절라디게 삼베삼베야 주세계 배은한 조조조그 기zam리 안배게 고시지 벨라조 은조딘진 야제니 외기 자시들 나 분소조외시 나 조문 배유 내게 요지 두제나 아니 제고 온지 송시 나요 gonda de kamachigangala ani pege pawpamula di jaje pawpamula nyanyi ola so gochu
May I now request Mr. Nobu Samdala to deliver his welcome speech. Thank you.
Three Nyamde Kezoki Tuntando Kebeki Legu Kapso Chipgu Kambe Ranshon Pande Kutsab Tunju Kungo Chimirinzila Choda Tene Mima Choshun Yube Timinambata Sibe Shunu Pime Jegi Kutsabta Kutsanambata Andende Mima Gemaguchi Pesha Ande Toma Tamala Tamdi Testere Shugi Tirde Nazo Zomna di Tunda Junju de Tundu Shivaina Gap de Nazo de Gamde Gezogi Dromi Topta Senzogi Chondo Nashimare Chondo de Choden Shibjuba de Nagiyore Digi Dida Tabdunche Nazo de Tirdus Kebenaidere Andi Tolosawa Mare Lotaba Dus Naidere Jinda Sumbenare Chubache Gua Kapso ani Nyamde Gezogi Dromi Toptangi Chondo Tabdunche Nazo Lotaba Dus Leguinae di Dire Jezan Tirde Sapemba Pasanche An kazin di sumju tu je ka su mangbuchi Brazil la pa pe da dinde sin gongpa shu na je dirde dinde yin bai ne dirde mi ma zu pe mi ja da ngap ju ye me chi tu ste zum nang ge re je za na ba zo chama la to ma de tu che na xue yi de tu zu da dinde sa pa san ke de wa je ka zi do wa di yang gongpa shu je dirde to ne dinde chung re de na ba zo de 토고 첨부시에 제대 배워대 아주 미만 직속이 참신에 참아 도체나 주고요. 다들에게 표현의 쉬어야지 대참조 주기 다들 표현하게 내단데 망부 다증 알아서 표미 저거 망아 캔데버도 저와 예제라 인지나 튼뒤 쉬죠지 인지나 주된 남아서 삼해한테 캔로드인데 인지나 마 쉬죠지 쉬어야 Respected Mr. Chimirinzala, representative of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, respected Mr. Jacques Arnes, co-president of the Swiss-Tibetan Friendship Association in Geneva, respected other guests and friends and supporters of Tibet, my fellow countrywomen and men, it has been 60 years since His Holiness the Dalai Lama and over few thousands of Tibetans had to leave their homeland and flee to exile. It was 60 years of efforts by the Chinese government to eradicate our rich culture, tradition, and religion. The situation in Tibet is getting worse year by year and day by day. The Chinese government, on the other hand, claims in the UPR on China that Tibetans in Tibet enjoy a free and happy life. If this is the case, why do the Tibetans in Tibet self-immolate themselves? There are 153 known self-immolations in Tibet. The self-immolators in the final prayers express freedom for Tibet and return of His Holiness the Dalai Lama to Tibet. If the Tibetans in Tibet live a happy and free life, why doesn't the Chinese government allow independent fact-finding missions and journalists to Tibet? Why do tourists and visitors require a special permit to enter into Tibet? Does the Chinese government have something to hide in Tibet? If the Tibetans in Tibet live happily and freely, why are they not allowed to move freely inside Tibet and outside Tibet? Why are the Tibetans not allowed to travel to India to attend His Holiness the Dalai Lama's teachings? If the Tibetans in Tibet live a happy and free life, why are they not allowed to preserve their culture and language? The cases of language activist Mr. Tashi Wanjula and the Chinese authorities banning of Tibetan children from learning their language in the local monasteries are the examples of how Chinese people, Chinese government controls our people and not allowed our people to preserve their language and culture. The list of contradiction between the Chinese claim in Tibet and the real situation in Tibet is quite long. Due to time constraint, I will stop with my list here. We request the United Nations and the international community to review this huge gap between what the Chinese government claims in Tibet and what is the actual situation in Tibet. The situation in Tibet, especially the human rights situation in Tibet, is very critical and needs to be addressed seriously. An uncomplicated resolution of the Tibet issue is possible only during the lifetime of His Holiness the 14th Great Dalai Lama. We therefore request the United Nations, and especially the United Nations High Commission for Human Rights, to address the critical situation in Tibet and help us in resuming the dialogue between Chinese government and the representatives of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. To our supporters, when you support our cause, you are supporting not only our freedom, but you are supporting human dignity, non-violence, and human self-respect, mutual respect, sorry. Last but not the least, may His Holiness the Dalai Lama live long. May his teachings of non-violence and compassion bless this world. Thank you. Tante Jeremy Ngodu Shunge nge te tunji ngodu shibana Jeremy Ngodu Shunge te tante pyoge na ngodu nange di lobsan la re di rudik rigong ki tumi nabazu tamang kingirwa ani tante injina Jeremy Ngodu nange re anti jela di ngazu shudu yigi tuzuda ani sago seta ma chalo nange re di nange di ngaros te Geneva chojong ki gyunle 용갈하게 도스나게 요래 수여이 나버서 켄도치도
올라서다 지름디 따다 두도 한디니 좀 단다다 지름디 냠제자조 조미 톱다 렌조기 직접 gen지 초라 부규 슈투 차제 기 자로 낭교스
Allow me to read the memorandum today. 22nd March 2019, Ms. Michelle Bachelet, the United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights, Office of the United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights, call on China to end 60 years of systematic human rights violation in Tibet at Human Rights Council's 40th session. Her Excellency, on behalf of Tibetan community in Switzerland and Liechtenstein, I write this letter to urge Your Excellency to call on China to end its 60 years of systematic human rights violation in Tibet at the 40th session of the United Nations Human Rights Council. To resolve the Tibet issue, the Chinese government must resume dialogue with the envoys of His Holiness the Dalai Lama immediately. Firstly, this March 10 marked 60 years since China's invasion and occupation of Tibet. Over the years, the Chinese government has strengthened its systematic efforts to crack down on Tibetans in Tibet and to eradicate our traditional culture, language, and identity. In its recent findings, the United Nations Committee on the Elimination of Racial Discrimination stated that rights of Tibetans, particularly language rights, freedom of movement, and the issuance of passports, have not been placed on equal footing in law, policy, and practice with Chinese. For example, language activist Tashi Wangchula is currently serving an arbitrary 5-year imprisonment after speaking to international media about the need to protect the Tibetan language. Whereas international human rights organizations have made similar findings about the human rights violation in Tibet. For example, Freedom House has ranked Tibet as the second least free region in the world in its 2019 annual report. Human Rights Watch's annual report shows that Chinese authorities launched a nationwide anti-crime campaign to encourage people to denounce members of their communities the slightest suspicion of sympathy for His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. Secondly, we are gravely concerned that China has made a mockery out of the Human Rights Council's Universal Periodic Review. It rejected recommendations involving providing unhindered access to Tibet to UN mechanisms, persecution on the basis of religion, freedom of movement, the right to peaceful assembly, and the rights of human rights defenders. Recommendations involving the rights to freedom of religion or belief, resumption of two-way dialogue on Tibet, and respect for the human rights of Tibetans were indicated as already implemented. For Tibetans, it is utterly cynical to hear that Chinese government stated that recommendations which called for the protection of their rights are already implemented and that all its citizens are equal before that law. China also played an assertive role in suppressing dissenting voice during the entire UPR process. A joint submission on China's deteriorating human rights record in Tibet was first approved and then later removed from the official stakeholders' summary. We were told that the submission was not conducted in a non-politicized manner. When we asked how our submission failed to meet these criteria and what type of adjustments we can make, the UPR branch office did not respond. We believe that this violates the requirement of conducting UPR in a transparent manner. Civil society voice is vital for the UPR process to realize its goal of addressing human rights violations. For example, just 2 days before China's UPR on November 6, 2018, a 23-year-old young Tibetan man named Topo committed self-immolation in protest against China's growing repressive policies, raising the total number of known self-immolations to 153 since 2009. Thirdly, as the world celebrates the 30th anniversary of the Convention on the Rights of the Child, we ask the Chinese government, where is the Panchen Lama? This year, Tibetans are observing the 30th birthday of the Panchen Lama, Tibet's second most important figure who was abducted by the Chinese government at the age of 5. Tibetans demand to know the whereabouts of the Panchen Lama and his family members. Also, there are concerning reports that Chinese authorities in Shanghai province officially banned Tibetan children from attending informal Tibetan classes held at their local monasteries. Moreover, parents of Tibetan children have been forced to sign agreements pledging that their children will not participate in Buddhist religious activities during their school holiday breaks. All available evidence proves that China is committing gross human rights violations with impunity. Until the grave human rights abuses in Tibet are addressed, the Chinese government's claim to be the rightful ruling government of Tibet remains illegitimate. Until the Tibet issue is resolved through a genuine dialogue, China will lack any moral stance at the UN and in the international community. Sincerely, Nubut Samda President Phuntsok Chokchampa, Vice President of Tibetan Community in Switzerland and Liechtenstein. Thank you.
야, 당은저 니네 아주 캠페인하야르샤. 니 델랭게 넘버 2 델 캠페인한게 델레 셴게 징이 숨스니야 페로치. 외국식이 아니 랭게 넘버 2 델날 데스케 체야경에 델려나. 하는 디니야 딩자갈야 페로치는 아주 캠페인시 고수식이. 올라서 아젤라도 아니 바가를 올라서
Wake up! Stop killing! Stop killing! Mata! Central Mata! Central Mata! Central Mata! Central Mata! Paki Dabo! Paki Dabo! Central Mata! Central Mata! Stop killing! Stop killing! Stop killing! Stop killing! Wake up! 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 Stop torture! Stop torture! Stop torture!
Genocide! Stop the Khaja genocide! Release all political prisoners! Release all political prisoners! Release all political prisoners! What we want? What we want? What we want? Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
United Nations!
Wake up! Wake up!
United Nations!
Wake up! Wake up!
United Nations!
Long live! Long live! Long live! We demand human rights! We
김베베 아무나서 그런 랭게데 많이 갈라 두지 체 엔디나 신기 다당한저 김베 까마정화 정화치는 테마 숨유 아니 랭게데 뭐저 신기 단도디나 신기께 야보정에 되는 게슈 야보준스 디나 신기 야페 베준나로 칠은 베구슈기 아니 당한저게 제림디 마도 스토버스 난다 서거 세타 서거 세타 잘레 Jalo Nangyu, okay. Sargo said Jalo Nangyu.
Now I'm going to read out the press release for the 40th Human Rights Council session in Geneva. For immediate release, 22nd March 2019, the Tibetan community in Switzerland and Liechtenstein is holding a demonstration alongside the ongoing 40th UN Human Rights Council to urge member states to call on China to end its 60 long years of systematic human rights violations in Tibet. This March 10 marked 60 years since China's invasion and occupation of Tibet. Over the years, the Chinese government has strengthened its systematic efforts to crack down on Tibetans in Tibet and to eradicate our traditional culture, language, and identity. China is committing cultural genocide in Tibet with impunity. Political repression, economic marginalization, systematic discrimination, and environmental destruction are the realities of Tibet under China. In addition, the demonstration aims to put a spotlight on China's mockery of the HRC's Universal Periodic Review. It claimed that Tibetans enjoy a free and happy life in the face of 153 self-immolations by Tibetans in protest against China's growing repressive policies. For Tibetans, it is outright cynical to hear the Chinese government state that recommendations which called for the protection of their fundamental rights are already implemented and that all its citizens are equal before that law. For 60 years, Tibetans have been deprived of their basic rights under Chinese rule. Standing up for the rights of the Tibetan people means standing up for the universal principles of human rights, states Nobutsamda, president of the Tibetan community in Switzerland and Liechtenstein. As a member state, China must be called on to respect its obligations and grant UN bodies, including the UN High Commissioner for Human Rights, unfettered access to Tibet in order to objectively assess the human rights situation on the ground. Thank you.
Okay, 아니 다 먼저기 구잡된지 산 구잡된지네스 갈롭낭유 된지
I request Mr. Chingmi Ringzila to give his speech. Thank you.
The Yamdi Jasuki Dundang any day La any Swiss any electrician gear any Perigi any Chopegi and Godishubigi any Dunzum now begin Ditola Pebe any number Samala and Thomas some detached issue any Tavigi Tanda Sunshi Nani Mangush Vichiresha, Digani Surdevani, Yanko Kimbe Shivichi, Chun Deva Indu, Yet Tampoke Samlo Nala Bangti Shabadit, Chimaji Chig, any Tupin service Yungi Yumiki, Tanda Tesum Resha, Kantaria, Trinde Mantu Sangma, Gate Champu Shivichi Gitsi, Dunzum Nang Yore, number Matsegi, any. During the Duzu, any Chivaina, Yamdi Jaso, Sotin Shibutampa de Chinda Nibe, Tari Nisanga, Unzu Chechene, any Chinda Sumpe, Tari Nisani, Trinte, Jogdom Jag, Duzu Chade, Dila, any Yamdi Jaso Nangla, Anzu Shune. To be Subiki, Kamukazan to be Yuna Menage, and in Yamdi Jasonala, Jamiginu Shu Chesene, Manzola, Trangdinji Yungi Mebege, any Talinda, Kimbi Shukchimpuchi Getone, Talent Truade, Tringansoge, Yamdi Jasugi, Jugdum Getola, and in Ansoge, Namju Shukchimpuchi Resene, the Tengi. Any Danda Deya Nyamdi Jasugi, Domi Totangi, Sotin Shibeki Tola Savigi Tangaransorangi Page Dene, Musu Shuchene, Didisiage, Rawan Yumila Matubigi, any answer the Denjuki June, Tanashinki, Mimangi. Chandu Yamdi Chevig Tone, Nangola, Shundi Mahimbege, any Shabjagi Tone, any answer to you, legit the Surdu Chatne, and Kamachigda, any second Sumjus in the Kaminaya, Rimpani Chungyore, Dinala, any Naranso Rangi, Duzu Tempichi Nala, Mansuk, Peta Kari Shugu, Medindikin in the any Dresola. Tanda Yamdi Jesu getting Jatola, any pa lane Kantara, Trumila Matibik Dus Chashilang Tubachungore, Taganashi Gay, Tanda Dea Yesa, any Manso Surtogi Nangla, and Katu dan Tache, Mantutina la Sunshinang Chungore, Dinang Lege, any Dinang any Jamigi, Legere, Fransuki teaching, any Journey, Pichi, Dingesi Chungsha, Tetsugi, any Mansuki Pa Dina Surso de la Nema Chopege, Paso, any Nisu di Chumpege, Kantaria. Maransogi Lingula Pabigi, Chetugage, Tinamju to Shukchampuji Tumbatan, Dania, which Chinson Siage, the Shugu, any Maumba Imba Nege, Tanda de Manso Lerim Digede, any Lore Lorese, any number so get jabjore any dinju ledger digi session nyamdi jesu nangla ti sigi nganzo karira chigi tone jachero tangudo di nganzo phazo 소소레 넘버즈 투미요레 디게 상마 투문게 토네 아니 직게 나로 직 레든 자체시게 페투야기 맞아 마음페 아니 총주데바 갑라 맞아 총주 소제 가르치 구고도 강가칠레든디 슈야기 디지 슈야기 삼로지 코르데기 강타리안다 베든게 토라 가리 임바에네게 타간타 ngaranchorange doto mebege thidebege lenginchire chezandindi imbaindi andalinde nambaso dusine phetusha ani halebege tigedi manzo lega cheni inere dizuge semshu paya ta muni mimangi japju dindi yobeindi susuge majumpa mato ani male maju che susuge che goyage thiji genchi thigi duasege semsor ta semshu payage nubaje chagidu These are my big and a mount by nege, numbers of the Chashigala Kangma Pero Chesine, Shundichung, and Niba Dunzi Niba de la 3 Zambuling Chugi, any Dujinji Chadiore, Chuni Musunzi Chiage, Dusiji Chadiore, Sheza, any Chugi Nizu Chabek Abdallah, Togandi. Any answer Zambuling Nangla, and Zambuling Sebe Nege, Tanda Asia Nanglo, Peche, Mimber Terbum Chigdan, and it's Hasum Shisi Digana, Chu Jungun de Pearl to the Ore, Shazan di Imba Indu, Talendi, and Getone, and Janage, Chu Tolage, Imba Nege, and Chu de Zokane, Kajur Chiare. Any Bernala, any choosing Javadan, the Digit Nisumangbush Vijore, Digiti, any Nanzo Tamigi, Ditola, Savigi, Tanda, Lotang Anzo Dinala, Carso, Kuyu Sunjugitone, language pedigure, Didan Shola, Nyambu Jarchene, any Chuko to Stodigure, Drige Zamling Chuni Mugi Sunzi Data, and Chukola Tandange Duse, Langsi, Nabasolinian Shuna, Setenson, any Dunzu Sumba de la Savigi Manso Mimangi Karjure Bugi Zadun Tola Namjuki Kaminambe Kavla Savigi Pudi. Rawaranzin Zamaji Imbegidi, Logikutone, Yundu Mebadan, Subdu Mebachire, Chadeore, Mantu Samegi, Di Kingiore, Inege that Naransuge Nedan Du, Naransuge Topshu, Nuba, Mambuchi Latene, any Karsore, that Disigorva, Lamumegi Sijudi. Kangla nganzo gongpa she di gore di gongpa she di ge jungtang di 정구는 부치게 공부 12지 띵 사보 12지 셰체네 나샤베 지레 공부기 20인지 셰체네 나샤베 지고 많이 받제 아니 딘디지게 나베나 아니 마음베기 벽이 더 탑주 제야들 주니 투비야 아니 잠니 냠데 자소기 가르슈고래야 잡줄 토비야 아니 나란서 가바기 대사 유 디게 열매 대속에 임바이네레 슝기 임바이네레 베든 토라 잡조 체알라 아니 제대보 낭대보들이 여배들 딘디 망고지기 공부 셰체네 마 미망게 토라 딘디지 고도 세네 굽주 고랑게 되바네 아니 미망게 망미게 미망게 망미게 외디지 나요래 세상 외디지 나 백업들라 갑디들라 외두 나 백업라 든지 시지요래 라모마 랑제 아니 덴베 우주 제 딘디게 아니 든지 시지요래 디 예백업라 아니 미망게 외두 푸백업들라 라모 우미게 토라 자자페지 tuk주 레구 redu regusi ge dindi kane mimange di thola vedu thopchene ti lam umade tembip chung bare tembip chung ne ani tembip chung aja machebe ge mimange tangpo vedu che pe mangzu ge rangshin ran tembe ge thone mimange vedu che di chela ani premi machitu lenzo na la ani ma chatim ge gondung ge ten la phabne ani di chebe ge timdung ge ngan ta kantar siju je cha de ge are di yimba indu changme ge ani namju ngan chu lam umas chebe ka abdela chitang ge lam ume ge godung karre se de trini de la kamishune cha se ke o mar la ani do she du jaja dubju redu sebe kala hajang ge che thobodang che thobuji kanne ngan chu ani danda siju dite la phaba chire che thobo khandis re shugu yo ba na dedu kawla demja shi ore demja shi la jaja sumju soranji ma to chiyo mare dige de ani langma ge sumla ko sha jabna jaja chuchu si ma to jabju chini chungyo mare che san di imba indi lam umegi siju de jaja che thombu shibi chi gi cha de ore ngaran so rang ge ten phepsha bi ge ngaran so rang ge di kala nyamne che ya ta ani khadu imba na ge lam umegi thola ani jawrum bichi ge gongba cham mare shungge ani di kala shungge ten phepsha ba chi gu mare ani mima rang ge ani mami vidu che che ani siju ten phepsha ba indi ngaju ti rimbe che go to pe ba che ne and digi di changlen taya da ani di gechumbu chagre chene ne danda kaps baba tin ri chishuna tenson ani thadom de la tarin de la ya ani godi shuni changme ge ngone ha lebe ge cheja chungchur cheche manju ge thakwal ba ge and lengin de so moto be to ne nangsha chesan di imba nge ane ning thakwa ne thoche chene shuai ta nge dini inji gi thone dindi gi chik ma loya gi sindi chi gyawe de ta peche nge dosta be kabla anda sungshin nani da dindi bang dik de bache di gane ngal dusu cheje chi ma to me ba indu ani de lerim takta doya ge che do di jalo shu muwa che na che di tenson di imba indu ani thadun la ani ngaran so ge tabju di ani sumpo ne ya da tinde changma ge nganju mimang rang la yo ba indu di ngwe trubi ge thone di mutu ne naro na se ne shuai ani inchino konsa jamgun chumbu cho ge ani togon lunju drubata ani phegi denda nyurdu sewa ge ani melam shuai thachana
tuchina ani ta manzo kamachonga jirangal yanja kembesh gai ani lenge number 2 de la ya nyungsala misum sia perochi ani di zambala 아니 아주 캠프 거만 정하시게 하는 게 아니 올라 받아인다 올라서
Long live! Long live! Long live! We demand human rights! We demand human rights! We demand human rights! Back up!
United Nations!
What we want!
We want dialogue!
What we want!
We want dialogue!
What we want!
We want dialogue!
We demand human rights!
In Tibet!
We demand human rights!
In Tibet!
We demand human rights!
In Tibet!
Stop killing!
In Tibet!
Stop killing!
In Tibet!
Stop killing!
In Tibet!
Let the Dalai Lama!
Return to Tibet!
Let the Dalai Lama!
Return to Tibet!
Let the Dalai Lama!
Return to Tibet!
Stop the culture genocide! Stop the culture genocide!
In Tibet!
Stop the culture genocide!
In Tibet!
What we want!
We want dialogue!
What we want!
We want dialogue!
What we want!
We want dialogue!
Wake backup.
네, 먼저 들어요. 컨텐츠 연연지 제일 주제 감망 앞주셔서 컨텐츠 아니 디 소데 밀럼 대낭 교사 안게 sabala tantang ju diki gozi di ponga chanjula no ani kamang apjusa ngala nganjo sode millam 대낭 교리사
Now we are going to recite mantras.
Chico Judo as a chasre, Chidunga Jawash of the Diayi, Linga Samushu Jorana, Chuayi, and Shane, Chabden Domanang, the Tune, that's Conscianarana, Chuayi, Tujiche. Sanje Juda Toge Jonola, Janjo Bado, Dane Jabsu, Tage Jinso Jibe, Sonan Jen, Rola Benje, Sanje Duvash. Sanje Juda Toge Jonola, Janjo Bado, Dane Jabsu, Tage Jinso Jibe, Sonan Jen, Rola Benje, Sanje Duvash. Sanje Juda Toge Jonola, Janjo Bado, Dane Jabsu, Tage Jinso Juruga, Sije Gile Kunjo Yeshe. Mujhe Tinja Lame Sonala, Taja Dumsho Trabe Sanje. Ganjam Gombo Tenzi Jazo Ye Kuze Meje Gaya Rabde. Shedu Linje Duva Jinje Lo Chiye Kusa Kyuna Nyangjo. Tude Tije Yeje Jume De Dame Tenda Tembe Kibu. Shawe Yedo Lazo Tamja La Taja Dumsho Trabe Sanje. Aja Gombo Tenze Jazo Ye Kuze Meje Gaya Rade Je Shedu Linje Duva Jinje. Pando Yuna Lundo Tile Je Nawa Doha Jazo Tanzembe Benza Tujo Nawa Laye Tanja Tuzon Jawa Tanja La Taja Tujo Trabe Sende Kanjam Gomo Tenze Jazo Ye Kuze Meje Kaya Rabde Shede Linje Doba Jinje Lo Chide Sula Kange Chodo Sheva Nanja Nube De Same Meyo Kusat Keve Teson Dambe Chenje Sona La Taja Tunsho Trabe Sende Kanjam Gomo Tenze Jato Ye Kuze Meje Kaya Rabde Shede Linje Duba Jinje Lo Sibe Tugo Jola Jeba Ve Tendong So Jabe Nanda Doje Donle Meje Berido Bhabe Gyunda Tanja Taja Tunjo Trabe Sundena Ganjam Gombo Tenze Jazo Ye Kuze Meje Gaya Shede Lunye Duba Jinja Lo Kaje Shinda Neyo Dudu Do Dedo Nyanja Rebe Nejo Longsa Rula Trojebe Nezo Bawo Gandu Sona La Taja Tunjo Trabe Sodena Kanja Gomo Tenze Jazo Ye Kuze Meje Gaya Rabde Shede Linje Duba Jinja Lo Doje Change Kada Chaje Ndu Mende Rebe Todo Nye Tenda Tenze Jove Duze Je Yeje Jende Tezo Jazo La Taja Tunjo Trabe Sodena Kanja Gomo Tenze Jazo Ye Kuze Meje Gaya Rabde Shede Linje Duba Jinje Teda Lume Jabje Chonam La Shuta Nyena Kuve Soda De Mise Nyeme Sume Ramna Tazo Kanjon Drolem Kunchebo Ngawa Losa Tenze Jazo Chosa So Meje Minyo Mino 小姐用的都姐你们这个吧叫做有没大的小让咱叫我过去这边过年多这我所谓老亲戚提了过门努为年不着这把这些邻居都觉这个做那个啥能够过日子俺说这多大追求都得就得工作给这些些怎么解决这家那白没进了都这样打算你个总说大没感谢诸位去外让年呢故啥就叫做的门中这些家为接老大等着路啊没为点把大大个老三大白土多的南北东跟的la牛肉让家家为桑桑马六把刚的接呀家为就这个这些给了观众一些农文决定家拉面从哪拉大家动手这不说的那刚讲我们电子家作业估计没些个家这的这些的邻居主把经济这一故事就那样就别对着这些一些就没得咱们等到在北京下回也到拉到他们家拉大家动手这不算的那干将广播电视要作业估计没些给家热的这些的邻居说话今夜路帮到云的中到这里那晚中啊叫做大姐妹奔走都叫我来也了人家就说叫我等大家动手这不算的那干将广播电视叫作业估计没些个家人这些的邻居说话今夜路今天送来看看我这些小多些话咱家咱们没有故啥给外边听说南北去也做那老大家都说这不说的那看见我电视叫作业估计没些个家人的这些的邻居说把今夜路西北主公中了七八百电动我算这位一些家那么大都这中来没些把这这把位跟着他们家了大家都说这不说的那干将广播电视叫做估计没些个家人的这些的邻居说把今夜路看去现在那有多的多娘家人为这年初老上住了桌子被那送把我跟着坐那了大家都说这个说的那看见广播电视叫作业估计没些个家人的这些的邻居住吧今天老多这讲个高大家人都没这人多年个那电到电视就为多少一些真的电说叫做了大家都说这不算的那看见广播电视叫作业估计没些个家人的这些的邻居住吧今天老天大路没交接叫那了就让你的归本说到对没三年的送我让为大说感中周围关节不我罗萨电视叫做周三说没些民就没能把兄弟用着多些年不给我叫做有没大的说人家叫我关键在北国年多找我送了这些听了过门努为你我叫些话这些邻居主要这的总的个啥能够过旅行俺是接到大这些都得叫的更多少的 Kizan Sishe Semo Jejo Je Chana Peme Chinla Tuse Yun Daso Nyinge Sungsa
Dame Je Kashin Chuve Chube
Ranye Ne Kusan Chujo Jaso Tasu Jo Minjo Seje Jewe
Chilab Ta
Tende Lua Mebe Temba Dan Tage Lasan Tabe Tuza Ye Membe Tungu Te
La
Nyundo Jo Rangja Jewe Sanson Maleva Gande Cheya Jewe Judu Sishe Gile Gujo Yishe Nong Je Dinja Lame Sona La Tasha Tungsho Trabe Kanjang Goma Denze Jaso Ye Kuze Mishe
Rabde Jeshen Lenge Tuba Chige Lo Cheye Kusan Cheta Yanju Pede Yeshe Jome Te
Deme Deme Gengo Do Shave Yeda La Zo Tamja La Tasha Tungsho Trabe Sundena
Kanje Kumbo Denze Jaso Ye Kuze Mishe Keja
Radenje
Lenge Tuba Chige Lo Bando Yunde
Lunjo Jele Ke Nawa Jokan Jetso
Tembe Benze Dojo Ngawa La Ye La Ranjan Tuso Jawa Tam Tasha Tungsho Trabe Sundena Kanja Kumbo Denze Jaso Ye Kuze Mishe Keja Rab Chedun Lunje Droba Chinye La
Jide Sumla
Kage Ngede Che Chodo Shewa Namja Nube Te Same Meyo Gusa Geve Be Te Son Tambe Chuye Sot Taja Tungsho Trabe Sundena Kanja Kumbo Denze Jaso Ye Kuze Mishe
Keja Rabde Jeshen
Chedun Lunje Droba Chinye Lo Sibe Chukun Chungla Cheba Ve Tendong Son Chewe Yishe Mijeve Ritu Pape Kinta Tamjala Tasha Tungsho Trabe Sundena Kanja Kumbo Tense Jaso Kuze Mishe Keja Rabde Je Chedun Lunje Drupa Chinge Lo Kache Shinda Neya Dudu Do Tezon Tenjo Ye Nenjo Langsa Chula Tronzebe Neson Pavo Kandra Tsona La Tasha Tungsho Trabe Sundena Kanja Kum Kuze Mishe Keja Rabde Je Chedun Lunje Drupa Chinge Lo Toche Change Kata Chayen Du Mende Rebe Toto Nirgu Tenda Tense Jongwe Tuse Chen Yishe Chente Teso Jaso La Tasha Tungsho Trabe Kanjang Gomo Tense Jaso Ye Kuze Mishe Keja Rabde Je Chedun Lunje Droba Chin Teta Lume Kyabye Chana La Shuda Nyine Kube Suda De Mise Nyime Sungwe Rana Ve Taso Kanchun Drobe Kunje Enzen Jaso Jaso Sa Mishe Minjo Meno Ba Shumshe Yonda Toshe Nyimbe Kyaba Jaso Yume Tate Shoram Jan Jawa Kunje Sebe Ko Nyenda Chakpa Sungwe Lebi Chile Gumbe Nobe Nyingwa Cha Shiva Jishin Lujen Rujo Che Tite Sonde Kesan Nange Ko Lujen Esu Chito Tudin Chude Kundo Ratrave Kesen Sishe Tsemo Chejo Che Chana Peme Chinla Tuse Yen Tasa Nyinge Sonsa Kashin Ruben Chuve Rabnyene Kusan Chusha Chaso Tasun Sho Mencho Seche Chewe Chinla Dan Tende Lua Mebe Daga Lasan Tabe Tuda Je Membe Dungan De Nyundo Sho Teme Yunde Jaso Benga Che Nyamchon Rola Puche Takun Tusun Tishe Satan Loma Che Take Tembe Menga Tikun She Tishe Tunse Yunzon Tube Sanle Yangbe Pente Pedo Ye Dinze Kata Tube Jivu Chuchu Namchu Chawa Pewan Zu Mise Lenge Trabe Yonam Be Pame Tuke Nave Nyamda Soga ne so mo ge jiwa gu chune de ga ja so o yon de ke wa gang jo chune ong ge me do ngen gun jo be ta da chi me gyun yu do che be do jo do bon ye nyu mo tin ye nyu be na shen ni wo ge Nebe de yondo benjo rama zame be lundo chuse sunde kadula chube gaza nyuan tenda dinse chapse rare le chebe luso longje yondan de kawa jada dube jebo na dunse kunde Dona goma jere sewangi seje jave janga ganje je yonso jaja molo ganja ba desa dende nyudu Nando junye zame dende da joso tuje toda dende do lende lume dende da Embe molo geme nyondo joya deme yende jazu benga je nyamjo dola buje Tuzon dishe sada loma jata ge teme mengan de goshe sishe tungse yonzo tu Samle yangbe bende beto je tinse kada duve kebo nama chucho namcho jawab Mesele nge tabe yonambe bame tuge nawe nyamdando soga nesu muge chikwa kwe shene teka jasu Kya ganjo chunde keno no na cho lalu punge tseme to ngengen chombe tata Nyudo cheve tuje topon ye nyumo tunye Nipon jebe nyenje ye mise keve tona langdo me yonda chamsen tawab Rine nyendo naman debe de yondo penjon rangwa tsame be lundo chuse sunde Nyawa nyendo tse tentan tense chapse rangre le chebe lu so lungche yondan de kawa jata dhubi Tonse ngande tuje jongwan tse nona kumbo chere zingwan ke seche chebe chenga Yonson chasen molo kansa pa desan tende yondo chawa tse nando chunye same tende tang choson tuje todang Lenda lume tenda tasha ke tembe melo keme nyondo shoya teme yende jasu Nyamjon dola puja takombe tuson tishe sada loma jata ke tembe mengandiu Sishe tongse yonzo tube ten zali yangbe pende pedo ye tinse kadang drube Chuchu namchu jawa bewa zu meselenge tabu yonum baba me tuga nawe Soga nesu mugen jikwa kun shine teka jasu oyon zu kyewa kancho chunde Nazo lalu punge teme to ngenke chombe tata chime kyun nyudo chebe tuju Nyuwa tenye nyube lanje ye ranshen nyimo kibe Mese jebe tona langdo me yondo chonde zawe bala chu rinne nyendo naba debe de yondo benja Lunde suze sunde kadun la jube kasa nyowa nyedo se teta tense chapse rangre le jebe luso lungje Kawa jada dube jebo non tunze kunde tuje jowa zon donan kobo jere ziwan ke seje jebe jangan Ajamolo kansa ba desa tingde nyudo chawa zo nando chunye sameten Chozon tuje todan tingde to lende lume tingde Keme melo keme nyondo jo jambe bave chidra kemba da kundo sambo tia tije Teda kuje jeso talo je gewa teda tamja rabdo ngo deson shebe gewa tam Ngo kala chodo nga baja taje gewe zawan digwe jan sambo chije rabdo ngo ge menjo seje gewe jela Temba Tang Taga La San Tabe Tuda Jenam Tungun de La Nyon Do Sho Yakari Rava Korbe Chingas Dewa Mali Jungane Jare Sewa Tanze Yazo Ye Shebe Side Bado Tenyo Je Yakari Rava Korbe Benan Dewa Mali Jungane Jare Sewa Tanze Yazo Ye Shebe Side Bado Je Gangri Rava Kove Changa So Benan Dewa Malin Jungane Jare Sewa Tanze Shebe Side Bado Tenjoro Je
ولا عباد مهلكين سبب علينا رحنا نزلت دموعنا مهلكين فكرنا ولا امان طبعا احنا حلق رجلنا براس
도샤고도 리점발라 단다 수베 둔데 족백이 족조함 고첩네 숭셰 낭규 스위스 베드 조조 배 조조함 고첩 네 숭셰 낭규
طلعتنا ماشيه لسه احنا يا رب شو هيدي البلاوي اعتقد عامه عرفنا انها تجربه قالت معانا اطفال بتبكي فبشارة يا جرابه ياخد كلمه
It's not so easy, but I'll try. I just want to say some words in Tibetan. I don't know if you're going to understand. Nyepinga Butang Bomozo. I don't know if it's okay. All right. Today we stand here in front of the United Nations. 71 years ago was signed the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Unfortunately, we are far from the spirit of this declaration. As every year, so many violations are made throughout the world. Today also is the 14th Human Rights Council session. It is also the 17th year of occupation of Tibet. In 1951, an agreement was made in Beijing between the Chinese and the Tibetan under constraint. That means it was never respected. In this agreement, they asked so that the culture, religion, and freedom would be, how do you say, respected by China. It was never respected. In 1987, His Holiness Dalai Lama proposed the medium way, as you know, which is always available. He just wanted to find a way acceptable for China and for Tibet. But the CCP rejected this proposal invoking separatism as a real reason of this agreement. Now we are in 2019 and the situation in Tibet has deeply worsened together with the situation in East Turkestan, where more than 1,500,000 Uyghurs are actually detained in re-education camps. They are forced to reject their religion and their way of life, the same as for Tibetan. Unfortunately, we are far from the spirit of the declaration of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. This declaration has not only rights, but mostly duties. Today, we, people of the free world, we must fight for the liberty and respect of the Tibetan people. Nothing is ever acquired. Each step towards autonomy and protection of the Tibetan identity is a reminder of the struggle of our fight, of your fight. We are here to oppose the megalomania future of the CCP represented by Xi Jinping. Together we stand united with our Tibetan brothers and sisters. Pagalo.
아니 사베톤도 저벅이 소소라 투지체 아니